Hi, I'm Tom from the IT department. I'm going to show you how to set up the portable camera kit for Zoom teaching. The first thing is we've got a big bag here. It has in it a camera stand. The camera stand is, it'll expand. It's got gas-powered, powered struts in it. So it does take a little bit of pressure to open. You just unscrew these a little bit, and you can push them down, and then tighten them up finger tight. Then, in this bag, you're going to pull out the camera and the 3 cables that go with it. So to put the camera on, just take off, just unscrew this, and it lifts up and comes off. And on the bottom of the camera is a standard tripod mount. You're just going to screw it in. Once again, only finger tight, and it goes right back on. And tighten it down again. So the good thing about this is this knob here, you can twist, and it will then allow you to move the camera around to get it level or get the angle you need. And you just kind of tighten it back up again when you're done. On the back of the camera, there's a blue USB port, and it matches the blue USB cable. This can only plug in one way, so you plug it right into the back. And you've got the other end of the cable. Now this you've got 2 choices with. You can either plug it directly into the computer. If you don't need any more cable than this is about 4 feet. Or you can plug it into the blue extender cable and then move the camera further away from your computer. I'm going to plug it into the blue extender cable. So the USB to the back of the other end of the cable, and they just plug in like that. And then this cable, I'm going to just can plug into the back, or it can plug into one of the USB ports on my computer. The next step is the audio microphone and speaker. There's also a cable with the audio microphone and speaker, a black USB cable, which is an extender, and then this hockey puck kind of thing. It's just the case. Just take it out of the case. The back of it is red or pink. There's a USB cable wrapped around it. Just pull it out of the slot, unroll it. In this, I'm not going to plug into the USB. Actually, I am going to plug it into the USB extender. I want to show you that. So this USB extender has an adapter on the end. That's one way to know exactly which one you're using, if by any chance you didn't have the same one. The adapter's got a blue end. You're just going to leave it on there, though. So the cable, the speaker and microphone here, they plug right into the cable, the same way the other does. And this will allow you to move it around the room further. If you don't need to move it around the room, you can just use the built-in orange cable. And this plugs right into the side of the computer. My computer, it's on the opposite side of the other USB. So they're both plugged in. If it's the first time you're doing it, I'd wait a minute to make sure they get recognized by the system. And then go ahead and start Zoom. Start Zoom normally. I'm already logged into it. And I'm going to do a new meeting. You can see on this, on the hockey puck speaker microphone, it has lit up white. I'm going to start my new meeting. And now this camera is live. So I'm going to show you how to select the camera if it does not come up automatically. Down at the bottom of your Zoom screen on the left-hand side, There's a button that says Stop Video. Next to that, there's a little caret pointing up. If you click on the caret, it brings up camera choices. This is the Avaya webcam. The normal camera that pops up is a integrated webcam, and that's this view. So if I click on that little caret, I can select the Avaya webcam just by highlighting it and clicking on it. And it switched camera angles. So I'm going to show you the same thing with audio. I'm going to click on the caret next to the microphone. Mine is listed as same as system. I'm going to go to the Plantronics Echo canceling speakerphone, and I'm going to put a check mark next to it. And now that's my default audio. Also, on the Plantronics speakerphone, there's a mute button. Oop.
Mute on.
If you press this microphone with an X through it, not an X, a line through
Muted.
it will tell you it's muted. I'm going to press it again,
Mute off.
and mute is off. And the phone in the circle is white. If you have any questions about how to use this, please feel free to call the help desk at 508-767-7060. Thank you,